Tape script 2.5.1.
Hello.
Hi here, what are you doing?
I am reading a magazine. What about you?
Well, T and I are going to the Rotana Center. Do you want to come?
Why do you want to go today?
They are opening today. My mom works in one of the shops. She says that all of the shops are giving employees and their families an extra 10% discount today.
Well, I do want a new photo album. My old one is getting full.
Fantastic! We are meeting Aruni at the main entrance in 20 minutes.
End of tape script 2.5.1. Tape script 2.5.2.
1. What are you doing? 2. I am reading a magazine. 3. What about you? 4. Wati and I are going to the Rotana Center. 5. Do you want to come? 6. Why do you want to go today? 7. My mom works in one of the shops. 8. She says that all of the shops are giving employees and their families an extra 10% discount today. 9. We are meeting Aruni at the main entrance in 20 minutes.
End of tape script 2.5.2. Tape script 2.5.3.
Hi everyone, thanks for meeting me here. I'm excited about the new shopping center opening.
Me too. There is now somewhere cool to hang out. I hear it has a game arcade, bowling alley, and karaoke. I am coming here every day when school has a holiday.
What is everyone buying?
I want some new sweatbands. I get sweaty when I play ball. Sweat runs down my arm and the ball slips out of my hand.
I am buying a new photo album. My old one is full. Also, my mom wants to know the price of a new rice cooker.
They have a pet store here. I am looking for colored rocks to put in my fish tanks. Aruni, what are you buying?
I'm not getting anything. I don't have any money. I just like coming and seeing all the happy people.
End of tape script 2.5.3. Tape script 2.5.4.
A. Fancy. B. Plain. C. Dress. D. Ribbon. E. Fruit basket. F. Bank.
End of tape script 2.5.4. Tape script 2.5.5.
I'm sorry, sir. We have a lot of customers today. Do you have a question about something?
Yes, my son is at home while I am shopping. He wants me to buy him some red ribbon. How much does 2 meters of ribbon cost?
What is he using the ribbon for? We have two types of ribbon. One type of ribbon people use for decorating posters. The other type of ribbon people use for wrapping gifts.
He is making a gift for us. I think he wants the ribbon people use to decorate posters. What is the price of that kind of ribbon?
Normally, the ribbon costs 4,000 reals for 1 meter. Today, we are celebrating my New Year, so I am able to give you a 50% discount. Your total cost is 4,000 reals.
Here you are. Thank you for helping me.
Thank you for shopping at Tonsai Town and have a happy New Year.
End of tape script 2.5.5. Tape script 2.5.6.
A. Her name is Hieng. B. His name is Bisset. C. Its name is Kiki. D. Its name is Aroni. E. Their names are Miss Mom and Mr. Pirate. F. His name is Wati.
End of tape script 2.5.6. Tape script 2.5.7.
1. Serenik plays tennis every Monday. 2. The baby is sleeping at the moment. 3. My grandparents are watching television now. 4. My brother and I do La Bocatao every Saturday. 5. My favorite holiday is Khmer New Year. 6. Sok likes coffee. 7. Tida is doing her homework at the moment. 8. My grandfather drinks 5 cups of tea every day. 9. Makara is painting a picture at the moment. 10. Morokot is working in the garden now. 11. Ratsmay and Bunthun are riding bikes at the moment. 12. I always have curry for lunch.
End of tape script 2.5.7.